Today I'll be showing you how to make Among Us keychains and pins out of shrink plastic. The first thing you're going to need is your shrink plastic. And make sure to take note how much your plastic shrinks so you know how big to draw your piece. I've found that Posca pens work best for me, but there are many other tools that you can use to color in your pieces, like Sharpies and color pencils. Place a printout of your Among Us characters underneath your shrink plastic and basically just color it in. For the best results, I recommend outlining and then filling in. Also, if you're using Posca pens, make sure to not go over areas you have already painted because the paint will crack in the oven. After you're done coloring and cutting out your pieces, make sure to punch a hole using a hole puncher if you want to turn the piece into a keychain. All you gotta do now is follow the instructions for your shrink plastic and bake accordingly. While my piece is still hot and malleable, I like to flatten it using a ceramic tile wrapped in wax paper, but you can use anything hard and flat. Once completely cooled, it should look something like this. Next, I like to finish off my pieces with some glaze. You can use Mod Podge, varnish, but I like to use UV resin since I don't have to wait for it to dry. I wanted some of these to be pins, so I just glued on some pin backs. For the keychains, I just used some pliers and attached some jump rings and a key ring to each of them. And that's about it. Now you have some really cute keychains and pins. Thanks for watching.